Hi everyone, good morning. Troy Williams with the Aspirican and Company, here to introduce you to our latest listing, North Ajax 18 Carberry Crescent, featuring 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, hardwood throughout, added bonus, in-law suite in the basement. I can't wait to show you guys. Hi everyone, I hope you enjoyed our video tour, but it's not over yet. This park is just 1 minute away from your brand new home. So call me, contact us to give you a private tour. Thank you for watching.